Okay, welcome back. Now let's have our game. Okay, thank you, mommy. Let's have our Olivia. May the 14th be with you. Okay, let's have animals. Animal. Okay, let's have this one. Okay, what number, my dear?
Number 11.
11. If you had three wishes, what would you wish for and why?
Inside a flower.
I wish to have
This one.
money.
Money.
Yes, toys and delicious food. Okay, next. Oh, it's so difficult. I don't know why. The games are too difficult for us. Maybe let's change this one. Shh, quiet, please. Okay, this time, how many robots? One. Okay, your turn.
Number 11.
11. What color is it?
Orange.
Orange. Yes. My turn. What is it? It's a cap. Your turn.
7.
What points? My turn. What color is white?
White.
Next. What number 10?
Number 6.
What color is it?
Gold.
Gray. Correct. Next. It's silver. Your turn.
Number 3.
3. Take points. How many you will take? 25 points. Yes. Okay, my turn. It's yellow. Your turn. 6. What is it? It's a
Seahorse.
zebra. Okay, next. How many fish? 10.
9.
Your turn.
Number 2.
Okay, number 2. How many books?
19.
5. Okay, my turn. How many socks? It's 6 socks. Your turn.
Number 1.
4. What color?
Blue.
Blue. Correct. It's yellow. It's black. And swap points. Wow, you are the winner. Oh, okay, very good. Now let's move on to rewards. Let's have a rewards.
How
Active in listening, active in reading, being on time, doing your task, a good student, helping others, on task, participating, persistence, and the last, working hard. Okay, you will be the top one. Congratulations. Very good, Olivia. Thank you for having you in my class. See you next class. Bye. Love you. Bye bye. See you. Bye, Olivia. Have a wonderful night.